Hi guys, I'm going to show you today how I made these Swarovski crystal wire wrapped earrings using my new Wubbers Jumbo Sqare Mandrel. I designed these earrings for the military ball because I wanted a sparkly, large, kind of edgy earring. I ended up not wearing these for that event, but I plan on wearing them for New Year's Eve instead. The tools I use to make these are my Wubbers Jumbo Mandrel, my needle nose pliers, my flush cutters, my pointed pliers, my nylon pliers, my 18 gauge wire, and 26 gauge wire for the wrapping of the Swarovski crystals. So I start off by taking my 18 gauge wire and cutting about 4 inches of length, and I want 2 pieces for 2 earrings. So there I go, and then I take the nylon pliers and I just straighten out any kinks in the wire, and then I use the Wubbers Sqare Mandrel. This is the jumbo size. There are different sizes. This is the size that I chose, and I just literally just start wrapping it around the bottom smaller square, and you want to use some force, and then I remove it. And that's how easy it is to use these mandrels. They make it so easy. So here's the frame, and now I'm just going to manually adjust it until I'm happy with the look of it. And then on the ends, I want to clip off until they're flush on the ends and even. And then I make little loops at the end, and this is where I'm going to be threading the open jump ring. So I'm going to open up the jump ring with my 2 pliers and put it through the 2 loops. Here I am work hardening my wire with my steel bench block and hammer, and this is so it doesn't lose shape. And then I'm going to take my wire wrapping wire, which is 26 gauge, and I'm just going to start wrapping around the end. And I usually wrap around 7 times. And then we're going to thread the Swarovski crystal through the wire like so, and then just start wrapping. And I usually wrap about 3 times in between each bead. And we're going to wrap it around the edge of the frame. So it's going to end up looking like this, from this to this. So here is the finished earring, and I think it's super pretty, edgy, and modern. And I hope you enjoyed this video.